When you're driving on the freeway and approach stationary emergency vehicles, highway maintenance vehicles, or towing vehicles with flashing lights, the move over law requires you to slow down and move over one lane when possible. Here's exactly what you should do in this situation. Slow down as soon as you see the flashing emergency lights, but do not brake suddenly. If the road is wet or icy, you could slide out of control. Move over if you can safely do so. If you cannot move over a whole lane, don't panic. Keep your speed slow and move over as much as you can. Look where you want to go. You may be curious, but do not focus on the vehicles or emergency lights on the shoulder. This can cause you to veer towards where you're looking. Keep your focus on the road and the path you want to follow ahead of you. Injuries to emergency and maintenance workers on the freeway are preventable. Please slow down and give them room.